intersection lines, rectangle,
కొంచెం చేంజ్ చేయమంటే
acute angle, triangle, straight angle, obtuse angle,
చూడండి 2+3 పిల్లలకు నేర్పారండి 14 3 వీళ్ళు 3 5 వస్తాయి సెక్షన్
designed for students to understand, communicate, and adopt a digital world as it influences their personal life, society, and the business world. Teachers are most commonly using this technology in the classroom. The laptops and tabs are used by each and every learner. The teachers are showing up projectors. They can enlarge the pictures by touching it. With the help of this technology, the bags weight of the students are reduced. Once the bags are very heavy, the student can't load it. Nowadays, the students are used to carry only laptops and tabs with them to their schools. In future, we hope that in future, the government school may also use this technology in the education side.